Welcome everybody. Today we're gonna read Bluebird and Coyote. As a journal, coyote. Yes. Coyote is coyote. Long ago, Bluebird was not blue. She was gray and dull. How did she get her color? One day, Bluebird saw a lake. It was beautiful, and Bluebird was at the lake. Huh? Is she at the lake? Did you get your color? Asked Bluebird. It is from the lake, said Butterfly. Huh? It's a blue butterfly. The book is falling down. The book is falling down. Is how to get it, said Butterfly. Go in the lake. Do it 4 days in a row. Then takes the lake. She did this, then she was blue. Thank you. Wait. Thank you for the lake. Thank you, lake. Long ago, Coyote, Bluebird, how did you get your color back? Asked Coyote. Well, I tell you, said Bluebird, and she did. Right, but he did all 4 dips once a day. Once he was blue, Coyote got out. Once he was blue, Coyote got out. He did not take to the lake. This way.
You know you're not shaking this You're shaking your head over.
Coyote ran off, tells his friends. Coyote fell down, went he went down a big hill. Down a big hill. Coyote got up, now he was all dusty and blue. Coyote got up, now he was all dusty and blue. Till this day, Bluebird is blue, and Coyote is dusty and gray. The end. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.